Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California, where you are always welcome. So, as part of my 2020 commitment to myself and to you, I'm going to be bringing you a myriad of low sugar meals and recipes. And here's why. Sugar is something that I struggle with, truth. I love C's candies, I like cupcakes, I like buttercream. I like everything sugar, and I know that it's just so bad for you that I really need to cut down. I'm really making a commitment to doing it. So today we are going to make a delicious, healthy orange chicken meal, and this is an orange mandarin chicken. Now, there are a lot of recipes out there that make this with sugar-free marmalade, and we're not going to do that. Here's why. Sugar-free marmalade usually is what sweetens it, is a sugar substitute made of chemicals like a Splenda or an Equal, and we're not going to do that. We instead are going to use fresh squeezed orange, fresh zest of orange, and we're also going to use what's called xylitol. So for those of you that cook diabetic or just want to stay low sugar, it is a plant-based sweetener, and it's much better for you than the chemicals, right? So we are going to make this meal. A lot of people say it tastes like Panda Express. Frankly, I've never been to Panda Express. I don't eat fast food, but we're going to pump it up with a lot of things that are good for you. We're going to pump it up with fresh organic broccoli. We're going to pump it up with a red bell pepper, water chestnuts, and we're going to serve it, if you want to add a carb to it, over farro. Now, farro is a lot like brown rice, but it has a lot more protein in it. And I mean, personally, I just think it's better for you. So let's wash our hands, get back here. We're gonna make it, and I think you're gonna see how delicious this is. Meet me back here. Okay, ladies, we're back, and we're gonna get started making the orange sauce first. This is super easy. You're gonna put all of the ingredients into one little bowl, put it aside. We're gonna put flour on the chicken, and then we're gonna make it up in one pan. So let's get going. First, you're gonna start with your garlic. We're going to do about 3 tablespoons of garlic. And 1, 2, 3. I love the garlic in the squeezable tube because it's much easier. We're gonna stow about 2 tablespoons of ginger. And again, I like the one in the tube because it's easier and quicker. 1, 2, and I eyeball it. That's the thing that I love about cooking, is it's not as an exact of a science as baking, because baking is a lot more, it's more scientific and chemical. Like you need a certain amount of baking soda or baking powder to make it rise or fluffy. This is just kind of to taste. So this is what I like to do. A couple of tablespoons of that. You're going to do 1/3 cup of organic tamari. Now this is a gluten-free soy sauce substitute, and you're just going to do 1/3 cup. Okay, next you're going to want to have the zest of 1 orange, and you're going to have the juice of 1 orange, which is about 1/2 cup. Make sure to zest it, or make sure to zest it first before you juice it, because otherwise, well, you can imagine. Hey ladies, here is the dish. It's delicious. Now I serve this over farro, which is, it's like a browned rice, but it's healthier for you. It has probably 3 or 4 times the amount of fiber in it that brown rice does. And so I like to serve it like that for that particular reason. Now again, this is gluten-free, it's sugar-free, it's super, super healthy, and I'm telling you, I think that you will like it better than any fast food you could ever eat. You can serve this family style, as you can see. You can serve the rice on the side, the farro on the side, or you can just put the farro underneath it and serve it like this. Anyway, it's delicious and I hope you enjoy it.